Good morning and welcome to our brief unboxing of the Wargames British and Inter-Allied Commando Weapon Teams for bolt action. Obviously suitable for mid and late war, as it says on the box, because the Commandos really weren't active until their raid on Dieppe in 1941. So let's have a look. We have, packed by Anna, thank you, we have bases and 3 dice of a colour that I don't have yet, so wonderful. Excuse to buy some more dice. So we get 2 lozenge and 4 round, because it is a pack of 6. Packed by Kay as well. Thank you, Kay and Anna. Always good to give you a shout out. So let's have a look at the figures. We get a flamethrower. So now we have to have an engineer team, well, an engineer platoon. And I believe that this is his assistant with a rifle, although in the current rules he would just be armed with a pistol, if that. Then we have machine gunner with a Vickers K, which essentially gets the same as Germany's buzzsaw rule in that it's an LMG with an extra dice. So throwing 5 dice down the table. And his assistant, which, with a T-mug. So obviously this assistant would also be good as an assistant with any other weapon team, or even as a forward observer. And then we get a sniper with a scrim hoodie and a wrap around his rifle. And his assistant going with a rifle, which in the current rules would probably just be a pistol. It does have a pair of binoculars, so would also double up as a forward observer. As expected, these are all very clean models with just a little bit of flash on the top of their berets. Nearly said helmets. Just requires a little slide with a knife, trying to match the curve of the beret. Obviously he isn't wearing a beret, but he is. And again, just a little snip. And we have, on the ones that have bases and the machine gunner, we have a little bit of sprue or casting gate underneath. So the machine gunner has a bit on his boot. Trying to make sure that these clipped off bits don't fly across the room, because the Wookiees would have it if they did. All in all, a very nice set of figures. Whether they will remain in the pairs they're designed for is a different matter, but they will all see use in my upcoming Commando army. See you soon with the painted versions. Thank you.